Hello dear students, in this tutorial I want to teach you how to connect to different network using router. I will deploy this topology in packet tracer, which have friendly interface. So I will switch into packet tracer and will do step by step that how can connect to different network using router. So let's do switch packet tracer. So in packet tracer, before everything, we shall design our topology. So this is our topology. We must have one router to can communicate, to can connect two different network and also two different network. For example, this is our one network and this is the other network. So I can give one color shadow also for my network to be little bit friendly. Example, I want to be my one network this, and also my second network in this color. So when you close this one, so let's do connect the medium. Use straight cable to connect these devices between each other. Why? Because the different device we can connect by straight cable. So that's the topology. Now I want to give the IP to my any network. This network I want to be 192.168.1.1. So for this PC I want to give this IP 192.168.1.5, and this network I want to be 192.168.2.1 to be different network. So this 3 octets belong to the network. This PC will be 192.168.2.10. So let's do a little bit design it to different network. Yeah. Now I want to configure the router. So what do you mean by configuration of the router? Here I only want to assign this two IP to this two different interface of the router. So I don't need any routing protocol. Why? Because this two network is directly connected to the router. In such a topology, when the ports or when the networks are direct connected to a router, we don't need to use any routing protocol. So only we can assign the IP for the router ports and make it up, and then we will be able to communicate between these two networks. So let's go to router and do the configuration. Conft interface first 0/0 IP address 192.168.1.1 plus subnet mask 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Exit. Next interface 0/1. IP address 192.168.2.1 plus subnet mask 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Why we use no shutdown commands? Because by default all the ports of router is down. We must make it up to can communicate. So we can close this one, and also now we assign IP for the PCs. copy this one, come to this PC, go to desktop, IP configuration, and set the IP. Also default gateway, which is 1. Close. Come to this PC, desktop, IP configuration. This is 1.5. 1.1 is default gateway. So now these two network will be able to communicate between each other. Let's try. Go to DOS and ping 192.168.2.2, which is this PC in this network. 2.10, sorry, 2.10. I will check, enter. So we are connected. It means we can connect to different network using one router without any routing protocol. So hopefully to be useful this video for us, and waiting you to see all of you in my next video. Bye for now.